Hey guys, just got back from an awesome epic backpacking trip. Stayed overnight at Reed Lakes Trail over at Hatcher's Pass, which was amazing. And I busted out my drone, and it's right here. So I got to test it out, got some pretty cool film on there. So yeah, I am going to go through my drone footage and also my GoPro footage. So here you guys go. This is, what shall I call this? I don't know what to call this, but when I do, I'll figure it out. You'll know. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this film. Working hard for you guys. Thanks. Berry pickers in their natural habitat. Isn't she amazing? Pantalones. Word of the day. I feel like we're in the Rocky Mountains.
It's pretty rocky. It's so pretty. Well, I think we're gonna set up camp here soon, guys. But before I do that, let me show you these visuals, bro. You guys ever watch 127 Hours? I feel like this would probably be the spot where that would happen. This is some sketchy ass shit. But you know what? We're gonna make this. Gonna make this happen. You know why? Because I want epic views in my life. So beautiful. It's like there's a cave right there. This is what we live for, people. Adventure and the journey. Coming from over there. I don't know what it sounds like, but it's calling something. Maybe it's a mountain lion. That'd be really cool, but not really. And somewhere, I believe it's right there, is our campsite, a little tent. It's beautiful. Our campsite was somewhere right up in there.
Hey guys, I just got done editing my video. It's super cinematic. Ugh, it just makes me want to cry how perfect it is. I hope you guys enjoyed what I saw because that was pretty legitness. Yeah, so if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If not, I'll try harder. You know I will. I'm gonna try and get those likes for you guys. But yeah, this video, it touched the soul. I think this was probably my most ever cinematic video, so I'm gonna go with the title. I bought a drone, and in the description I'm gonna have it titled as Cinematic Visuals. That's what I'm gonna have it as, because that one was perfect. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I enjoy making these videos. If you ever want an adventure with Two-Tan Traveling Tony, hit me up. I'm on Insta, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube. Reach out, man. Just reach out. You know I love doing crazy stuff. All right. Whew. Catch you next time.